Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically for the QR code that you are going to use on the labels, it's easy. All you will be needing first is to generate the QR code so you can scan it. So basically here we are going to follow this answer on this eBay community post, and basically this is how you can use the QR code for eBay labels. So simply you will be needing first to ship your order. You can go to your account, and from my eBay you can go to selling, and from there you will find your sold items or your orders. So basically when you have like an orders, you will find like your sold items, and you can start like shipping them. And basically you will be needing to start creating shipping labels for your shipments. And first you will need of course like to have some shipments that has been added or to your sold items. So simply you go to your order and then you start ordering it or you start shipping it, and basically you will add a package size and everything, and from here you will find service. So for your carrier, you will need to use a carrier that is using a QR code. So you will just click on yes, and basically now you will need just to use the shipping label format to be a QR code. And at the end, you will be needing just to go to the retail associate scan uh, the QR code on your phone. That means the shipping carrier will start like scanning the QR code on your phone, and they will print the eBay label for you to apply to your shipment. And by that, you will be able to start uh, tracking your order all the way the buyer's front door, and you can start like tracking it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.